Tower 1, Badger, are we clear to fire?
Affirmative, Badger.
3, 2, 1.
Can I help you?
I'm here to talk about buying the boat.
Great.
Amazing grace. You seem like honest people.
Grace.
What do you do for a living?
I'm in IT, computers.
How sweet the sound
So what exactly are you from, Emir?
Karachi.
Where the Taliban are.
that saves
My wife
a wretch
and my teenage daughter was struck by a missile.
like me.
Today's the anniversary of their deaths.
I once
Who fired the missile?
was lost,
A drone aircraft belonging to the CIA.
but now
Impact in 10 seconds. 2, 1.
found
Shall I tell your wife and your son who you really are?
was blind.
What do you want? You want a confession?
Not at all.
Now
Is that a bomb?
Oh my God.
I
Why are you doing this?
The guilty should never be spared. Do you know how much high explosive is in my briefcase?
Let them leave! Take it out on me!
We're out of time, Neil.